Hi guys, welcome again to our channel, and in this video we will discuss about the upcoming and ready to move best residential luxury projects and about the best developers on Dwarka Expressway. But before the discussion on these points, we will explain you what is Dwarka Expressway and what are the future plans on Dwarka Expressway. Dwarka Expressway, formerly known as Northern Peripheral Road or NH248BB, is a 27.6 kilometers long, under construction, 8-lane, controlled access freeway, highway connecting Dwarka in Delhi to Gurugram in Haryana. This entire project was planned in 2006 with a budget cost of 75,000 crore Indian rupees, for which contract was awarded in 2011. Out of the original 18-kilometer stretch of Dwarka Expressway, 14 km was completed till 2016. However, several others kilometer projects route was added to the scope of the project as an extension at the later stage. Earlier, various parts of the project remained delayed due to land acquisition issues and tree transplantation hurdles. However, after the PMO's intervention, all the pending issues were resolved and land was handed over to NHAI by different authorities of Haryana and Delhi. A 3.2 kilometers long Central Peripheral Road (CPR) was also being planned to connect it to Southern Peripheral Road (SPR) at Kheri Daula Toll Plaza on NH48. Significantly, the purview of the project was expanded and the proposed Central Peripheral Road (CPR) and 6.3 kilometers long section of Urban Extension Road 2 (UER2) is included as part of the expressway. If we talk about Dwarka Expressway as a real estate zone, we are referring to various sectors of Gurugram from 98 to 115 along with sectors 37C and 37D as per master plan of Gurugram. Accordingly, in broader terms, sectors between 58 to 76 were referred as Southern Peripheral Road. Sectors 77 to 97 fall into the classification of New Gurugram. Hence, sectors falling into the stratification of Dwarka Expressway have the edge due to its proximity to proposed Dwarka Expressway. Is Dwarka Expressway completed or operational? Not exactly, however, Dwarka Expressway is nearly 81% completed. Also, the obstacles to the completion of the much awaited Dwarka Expressway have been cleared and is expected to be operational within a year. Source: NHAI. Is Dwarka Expressway a good investment? Is it worth investing in Dwarka Expressway? Is it the right time to invest in Dwarka Expressway Gurugram? Dwarka Expressway is one of the upcoming locations which has generated great buzz in public. Many people are concerned whether the Dwarka Expressway is a good investment or not. Since it is located close to not just the IGI airport but the rest of Delhi too, the area, once construction is completed, will have excellent connectivity to Delhi and NCR. A proposed metro corridor is also expected to connect the area with diplomatic enclave. Compared to South Gurugram and New Gurugram, the average price of the property is the lowest, 1.05 crore rupees. Dwarka Expressway is also the closest to CP, Delhi and IFCO Chowk in Gurugram. If you are contemplating buying property in NCR, Dwarka Expressway is a great option. Since construction is still underway, there are chances that you might get an excellent residential and commercial property here compared to other areas of NCR. New construction also means that you will be provided with the latest technologies and modern amenities. The location of Dwarka Expressway makes it easy for people to commute to either Delhi or Gurugram with ease. Thus, investing in Dwarka Expressway for the long term would be ideal. Since the current prices of property have been stagnant for the past 1 year due to COVID-19 and any movement in prices is expected to be slow, this is the perfect time to invest in Dwarka Expressway. People looking for long-term investing in property will benefit by investing in Dwarka Expressway, as most plans providing connectivity to the region will be completed. Modern amenities including excellent hospitals and schools will be operational, metro would be expanded. Many projects by big names in real estate will be completed by then. Investment options in Dwarka Expressway real estate. Dwarka Expressway has emerged as one of the preferred localities for investing in real estate for long-term purposes. The locality has numerous options in commercial and residential properties including flat, floor plot, villas, penthouse, commercial shops, and office space. Several real estate investment options are available for commercial investors as well as home buyers. Biggies in the real estate sector have come up with amazing new projects along Dwarka Expressway. Most of these projects offer modern amenities and excellent infrastructure in all budget low, mid or high segment ranges. Please note down this details which sector is best in Dwarka Expressway. Based on the home buying trends observed in the area, Sector 102 has emerged as the most popular choice, followed by Sector 103, 108, 109, 111, 112, 113, 37C, and Sector 37D. The reasons for the immense popularity of Sector 102 Dwarka Expressway Gurugram include: it falls on the proposed metro route. The sector is close to 104, 105, 110 and 111 sectors with accessibility to Pataudi Road, NH8 and Hero Honda Chowk. There are projects from prime developers here including those by Ema, Shobha, Experian, ATS, and BPTP groups. Since these sectors lie on either side of the Dwarka Expressway, connectivity won't be an issue once the expressway is operational. Additionally, the price of the property will also see an upward trend in the coming years. Proximity to the SEZ is also an additional draw as various job opportunities will be available without having to commute long distances. Please note down this details also best projects in Dwarka Expressway. On the basis of price, location, and amenities, we can say following are the best projects upcoming and ready to move on Dwarka Expressway. Dwarka Expressway projects list best residential upcoming projects on Dwarka Expressway. ATS Grandstand Sector 99A, 3 and 4 BHK having 1550 to 3100 square feet area, at 80 lakh Indian rupees onwards. ATS Marigold Sector 89A, 3 BHK having 1750 to 2650 square feet area, at 1.18 crore Indian rupees onwards. Shapurji Palanji Joyville Sector 102, 2 and 3 BHK having 915 to 1880 square feet area, at 58 lakh Indian rupees onwards. Hero Homes Sector 104, 2 and 3 BHK having 1099 to 1689 square feet area, at 68.46 lakh Indian rupees onwards. Ema Palm Heights Sector 77, 3 BHK having 2000 to 2025 square feet area, at 1.03 crore Indian rupees onwards. Shobha City Sector 108, 2 and 3 BHK apartments, 1381 to 2343 square feet area at 1.22 crore Indian rupees onwards. Godrej Air Sector 85, 2, 3 and 4 BHK apartments having 1400 to 2600 square feet area, at 73 lakh Indian rupees onwards. Best ready to move projects on Dwarka Expressway. ATS Tomalin Sector 109, 3 and 4 BHK apartments having 1750 to 3150 square feet area, at 1.40 crore Indian rupees onwards. Chintal Serenity Sector 109, 3 and 4 BHK apartments having 2100 to 2925 square feet area, at 1.52 crore Indian rupees onwards. M3M Woodshirate Sector 107, 2, 3 and 4 BHK apartments having 1355 to 3650 square feet area, at 73.85 lakh Indian rupees onwards. ATS Triumph Sector 104, 3 and 4 BHK apartments having 2290 to 3150 square feet area, at 1.95 crore Indian rupees onwards. Please note down this details also. Best builders of Dwarka Expressway. Dwarka Expressway has attracted numerous developers and builders. Adani, ATS, Chintals, DLF, Ema, Experian, Godrej Properties, Indiabulls, M3M and Shobha Group are some of the builders having maximum experience in the real estate industry. DLF, with nearly 60 years of experience in the construction of residential, retail and commercial properties, is known to provide innovative housing solutions that ensure customer satisfaction. Godrej Properties is the first real estate company to have won an ISO certification and is currently developing landmark projects across India. The Ema Group collaborates with Dubai-based MGF and develops commercial and residential projects as Ema MGF. The Experian Group is the real estate investing division of the ET Holdings group of companies, which has a global presence. With nearly 25 years of experience in the real estate industry, the Shobha Group is synonymous with quality construction and amazing designs. With several world-class projects delivered across NCR, the ATS Group offers beautifully planned and conceptualized residential and commercial projects. Their commitment to innovation has been the driving force behind the stupendous rise of the Chintals Group in the real estate sector. Their commitment to put India at par with other countries in terms of quality infrastructure drives the Adani Group towards providing excellent residential, commercial and retail structures across the country. With numerous successful projects delivered, the M3M Group has emerged one of the top 3 developers of India to have won accolades abroad. With nearly 15 years of experience in real estate, the Indiabulls Group has been creating iconic commercial and residential spaces in not just India but also abroad. Dwarka Expressway Metro Plan HMRTC Haryana Mass Rapid Transport System had received the project report for the Gurugram Metro route that would link Huda city centre with Sector 23. The proposed metro route would begin from Huda city centre and reach Sector 23 via Subhash Chowk, Hero Honda Chowk, Dwarka Expressway near Sector 101 and 104 and Sectors 4, 5, 10A, 10, 9 and 9A. As per the revised plan, there will be 22 stations on this route. The metro link will turn 600 to 700 meters before the station as per the new plan. The government has also approved to connect the yellow line with Gurugram through a 16 kilometers route. The metro project is being jointly developed by GMDA and HMRTC and is expected to cost 1,785 crore Indian rupees. What are the future prospects of Dwarka Expressway? Dwarka Expressway is expected to emerge as one of the best residential locations in the coming 5 to 10 years. This can be assumed because numerous top builders like ATS, Ansal, DLF, Shobha, Hero Realty, etc. are coming up with projects here. The expressway connects to Dwarka on one end and NH8 on others, providing excellent connectivity to residents. Moreover, commercial locations in Gurugram, as well as Manesar, offer many job opportunities to people. Compared to Delhi, the area on Dwarka Expressway appears open, green and less congested. Since Dwarka Expressway was properly planned on papers, before actual implementation began on the project, the area is expected to yield better results in the future. We hope we have cleared your many doubts and queries regarding the investment on Dwarka Expressway by this video. So thanks for watching our video and kindly subscribe our channel for more updates.